I'm just out at the shops and I went to close the door and it didn't close properly because the window wasn't pulling down and then going back up. So had a little look and we're going to do a reset on this. So we will basically got to run it through the startup procedure. You're going to put the ignition on, you're going to drop the window and you're going to hold it down for 20 seconds. It'll make a clicking noise. Let's see, this is the first I'm doing this. 1, 2. It's more than 20, no clicking noise. And then you're supposed to pull it back up and hold it up. Oh, I disconnected the battery. That's why I have to do this. It's had to relearn it. I've never had to do this before, but it has happened this time. Okay, let's see. Then we'll put it all the way down. Okay, it all drops down on its own now. That's good. And all the way up. Yep, it does that. And we'll just turn the ignition off and get out of the car and see if it... Yeah, there we go. I heard it go down. There we go. That's how to reset your windows in your BMW. In this case, it's an M2, but that'd be the same in any of the F cars. So, yeah, there we go. Easy fix.